once you have created a Proton account, at one point you'll be required to verify your email in the early stages. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can verify your email on Proton VPN so that you don't get interrupted. To do so, it is quite simple. Just head over to the email account that you used to create your account. I have just received a reminder that I'm yet to verify my email. To verify the email, just go ahead and tap on it. And then scroll down until you get to this section, verify email address. Now just go ahead and tap on it. And then you get this message, email verified. So you can just close this tab, or if you want to log into your Proton, you can as well proceed from here and then sign in. So that's how you verify your email on Proton VPN. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.